I have this Easter Bunny grapevine wreath form. I believe I got it from Hobby Lobby. And I'm going to start by just tracing it on this piece of cardboard that I have. And I'm just using my pen. And once I had the outer edge completely outlined, I then have my razor blade and I'm going to cut out the shape. Now, if your cardboard is not too wobbly but not too thick, these razor blades really work really well by just going in up and down motion, and it gives it a nice cut. Now, once I had that cut out, I went and cut off each section. I'm not really sure why I ended up doing it this way. I think it was just easier to work section by section just to get the cardboard cut nicer. So once I had the main template of the bunny cut out, I then went and I just trimmed up each section of the bunny. Now I have this Krylon Shortcut spray paint. The color is metallic gold, and I spray painted all pieces of my cardboard with the spray paint. I was in the wedding section at Hobby Lobby and I found these really pretty pearl garlands. They're a 2 count and they are 48 inches in length. And I decided to trim the wreath form in the pearls. Now, one thing to keep in mind is the wedding section at Hobby Lobby does go 50% off. At least once a month, maybe even every other week. You would have to check your Hobby Lobby's schedule. So that's just a good place to keep in mind when purchasing craft items. They have a lot of really pretty burlap flowers and stuff that you can get for 50% off. So this was originally $5.99, and then I got an additional 50% off of the pearl garland. And I'm just adhering the pearls down with some hot glue. Now it was a 2 count, so I did connect the 2 parts together so that I can wrap the entire wreath form. And when I got to the end, I'm just going to snip off the extra, remove some beads, and finish gluing down the pearls. I'm going to leave a little extra wire hanging where I had removed the beads from, and that I can just wrap around the ear here and just hide that so that no beads fall off. Next, I'm going to go back to my cardboard pieces that we cut. Now, you can also use fabric. You can paint these any color of your choice. You can even decoupage on them. And I'm going to glue the cardboard on the back of the wreath form. And I'm just using hot glue for everything. You can use some E6000 as well. And I did this until I had my entire wreath form covered with the cardboard. Now I had some of the pearl garland left over, so I'm going to trim that up and put a piece going across the bottom of the ears here to complete the head. And what I liked about this garland, it's on a wire, so it's easy to maneuver and bend to the shape that you need. And I'm just going to attach that piece using the wire to bend around the back of the ears. And you can also glue that in place. Next, I had this pre-made bow in my stash. I believe I got it from the dollar store. And I'm just going to glue that right at the neckline. And then I also found these burlap bows for an 8 count at Hobby Lobby. They were $2.99, and then I got the additional 50% off. And same with the burlap flowers that I'm then going to place on the top of the head here. And there we go. This is just a very elegant bunny. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Paint products, tissue paper transfers, and mesh stencils can all be found on our webpage at chalkitupfancy.com. And don't forget, you can also check out other tutorials on our webpage as well. Have a great day.